Alright guys, here is your tutorial for MyFitnessPal. Once you've downloaded the app, you will be taken to your dashboard here. It'll look like this. I'll be blocking out my numbers because it's all relative and we don't need to compare. So once you're in this screen, you will see a blue banner below and you're going to click on the icon that says more with 3 dots. So now we're looking in the screen. The next thing I want you to do is click goals. From here, you're going to enter your personal information. If this is your first time using MyFitnessPal, your starting weight will be the same as your current weight. You're going to enter your goal weight, your weekly goal, and your activity level. If you don't know that, text me and I'll give you the information so we could be more accurate. From there, after you've entered that information, you're going down to calorie, carbs, protein, and fat goals. And this is where we're going to adjust your macronutrient split. After you've entered the information in the previous screen, it's going to calculate your total calories per day. And we're going to adjust the percentages. It's going to default 50, 20, 30, but we're going to adjust it to 35, 30, and 35. So just click on carbohydrates and we'll make the adjustments from there. Here you want to make the adjustment to a more balanced diet. So carbs will be 35, protein will be 30, and fat will be 35. Once you're done there, go ahead and click that check mark. Be taken back to this screen, so go ahead and click the arrow back. Here you're going to want to click diary on the blue banner below. This is where you're going to enter your meals. I would suggest to enter it the day before, that way you're prepared. The only drawback with entering it as you go, if you're busy, you might find that at the end of the day, you've already met your fats and carbohydrates, but you didn't meet your protein. So now you're trying to find a protein you can eat that's not going to allow you to go over your fat and your carbohydrates. So how you look at that, we're going to click on food and we'll see the pie chart that'll show you whether you're in your macronutrient split percentages or not. So I've entered all my food for the day and it's essentially going to tell me how many calories I've consumed already and how much I have left. I was really close this day. I'm circling exercise here because I have a device that tracks it. Just go down below where it says exercise on this screen and just delete it because it'll just confuse you. And lastly, at the end of the day, you're gonna wanna make sure that your actual totals are as close to your goal percentages. Hope this helps.